Have you ever wondered why it's called a set 5.24? Well, I think I've just discovered part of the reason why. So we head down here to the floor where I keep my development units and this thing, which I need to do something with really badly. The good old Dreamcast function checker, controller function checker. I'll be revisiting this in a future video, but it's right next to the dev kit. So, in here, on the top of the dev kit, nice and dusted out, as you can see, completely out of focus, that little label there. BS524. And then an S, which probably means serial. So the serial number of this board is 085353. Nice and easy to remember, in case I needed it for anything, which I don't. So there it is. That's probably why it's called a set 5.24. And why the other different revisions are different. So that's cool to know. It's a little fun fact. So I hope you use that knowledge wisely. And I'll have another look at this beast another time. Ooh, let's have a look. What do we got here? Ooh, wow. Ports galore. We've got video, audio. There aren't many ports in the back at all. There's a fuse and a power plug, which is interestingly 85 to 246 volt. So there you go. It will work in both regions, and it does. And it's got this trendy flip-out stand. Oh wow! This is the masterpiece. Internals are quite exciting, so look forward to that video. Even if I'm not showing you today, you'll have to stay tuned. Set 524. McRetro out.